Okay, so you'd like to embed some YouTube content into your posts or your page. Let me show you how to do that. Firstly, go over to the post section. I'll add a new post. This then gives me a new fresh post that we can manipulate. So, a couple of ways of doing this. Normally you'd go to here to add a new block. You'd also go up to the top left here and add a new block. I'd prefer this method because you've got more options straight away, but you can do it either way. You can go to that one over here, the plus sign, wherever you are in your document, and then you can go to browse all and you can get access to all of these on the left, but I prefer to just go up to the top left here, and then you want to scroll down till you get to the media section, which if you watched any other videos you're going to be familiar with by now, and you want to come down to video. That'll add a video block. Now we're not going to upload a video, we're not going to access one from our library, but we are going to access one, or rather input one, from a URL. So this is quite simple. You have the URL already, you've copied it, you can then paste it into this box. Simple. That's one of my other videos. Just pause it for now. But if you'd like to view it as a draft, so there we have it. That's a new blog post with an embedded video, which you can go ahead and press play and that'll start playing, and it acts just like a YouTube video would. Okay, if that's been useful, give us a like, which lets me know that you appreciate what I'm doing, and see you in the next video.